What's the matter, Abby? Oop. Good grief. Today is what? This is Friday the 7th of December. We have Abby and Orion. Abby wants Orion to play with her and chase her, and Orion's just sitting there. That'll change in a minute. He's playing King of the Mountain at the moment. Oh, there's Abby down there. Good grief. They've been doing this ever since Abby got here this afternoon. Come on, play with me. Chase me. Chase me. Let's go roundy round again. Here, guys, come on, you're getting kind of boring now. Oop. Nap time.